Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an AI YouTube channel. Let's begin. So here we are in ChatGPT because this is the first AI tool that we will be using. And just a heads up that I'm going to show you how to create your contents right here for your YouTube channel. I'm not going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel because that is a much easier step. So from here, I'm going to show you a bunch of AI tools that you can use in order for you to have an AI YouTube channel. So the first one is ChatGPT because this is where you would be getting the topics, the ideas on what you will upload on YouTube. So this is an all-in-one tool right here. So from here, you can just go and type in ChatGPT, give me ideas. For example, your niche is fitness, then you can go give me ideas about fitness and making future videos. Select that and automatically ChatGPT would provide you some ideas right here that you can make for your YouTube channel. And from here, once you receive these ideas right here, you can transform it right here into this AI right here that can take your idea into a video. So you don't have to do any editings or whatsoever. All you have to do is type in your idea and voila, you have now a video. For example, here in Flicky. So let's go and convert it. So here in Flicky, in order for you to make an idea into a video, you want to click here on convert and click here and idea to video right here. So click on it. So let's paste one of the ChatGPT ideas right here. So maybe we can go for fitness challenges and games. Just like this one, we're gonna copy this and we're gonna go paste this right here. And you wanna select the duration. For me, it will be short right here and explainer right here for the style. And click submit. And after that, it would generate a video right here just from your idea. And the same goes for Pictory.ai. It's basically the same, but I prefer Pictory.ai more because it's more cohesive and it has a bit more quality compared to Flicky right here. But Flicky is easier to use. That is why I chose this as an example. But as you can see, I need to upgrade my plan to add another sample right here because I used up all my free plans. So if you want to use Flicky, then you need to upgrade your plan right here. And the other one would be Leonardo.ai. So this is also a great way for you to earn money in YouTube. So you can use this in creating your thumbnails maybe. And yeah, you can use this for your YouTube, or you could create a post about AI images right there, and you can use Leonardo.ai because this has free credits right here. So it's like a free trial. So once you get whitelisted for Leonardo.ai, then you would be able to use your 150 credits for free. And after all that, after utilizing all of this, it's very simple. Once you uploaded your idea into here and the video will be produced, then you can now submit it into your YouTube channel and upload it. And from here, you can use ChatGPT again to generate you descriptions and tags right here. So everything is right here, and voila, you have now everything you need to create a YouTube channel. That is basically it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.